Hi everyone. Today let's take an example of a birth date and how numerology readings can help you or what all can numerology readings tell. Suppose we have taken a birth date of 18th, date 18th, month 5th and the year is 1950. This person in the everyday life they like to serve everyone, they like to be of need to everyone, they like कि ना मैं इसकी भी मदद कर दूँ उसकी भी मदद कर दूँ, but at the same time they would want appreciation for the work they have done. Maybe आप उनको recognition नहीं दो, still okay, but they would want appreciation for the work they do. Then they like to spread love, उनको चाहिए मेरे आसपास जो भी है सब खुश रहें. Their life path will take them to serving others, and during the life path they will learn how to maintain an equilibrium or balance between serving others and serving themselves. अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करना इस इंसान के लिए विल बी वेरी नेसेसरी. They need to have confidence in themselves and not always look at themselves how others portray them. They need to be confident of themselves. They will learn how to share or delegate their work कि मैं अकेला एक काम या मैं अकेली एक काम नहीं कर सकती हूँ. They will share their load and they'll be happy. Okay, now we are doing it as a family. उसके लिए yes, थोड़ा सा they will have to, जो वो सोच रहे हैं थोड़ा सा they will have to bend what they have thought previously. दे विल हैव टू डू दैट. थोड़ा सामने वाला भी क्या सोच रहा है, हम लोग भी क्या सोच रहे हैं, दे विल हैव टू ब्लेंड इन एंड देन डू वर्क विथ एवरीबडी सपोर्ट, दे विल डू ग्रेट. Now the core issue of this person is they want freedom in their speech, expression, living. So this person wants freedom, but they are unable to express themselves. They are unable to tell what they want. They portray themselves as others see them. दे आर वेरी चार्मिंग, दे आर वेरी सबको हंसाते हैं आसपास, एनवायरनमेंट बहुत लाइट रखता है, बहुत फ्रेंडली रखता है. दे लव वॉट एवर उनके आसपास हो रहा है. जो भी उनके पास नया नया आ रहा है, दे लव चेंज. बट देन इफ दिस पर्सन इज इंट्रोवर्ट, he might not have the ability to stand up for themselves. अगर उनमें ability है and he is able to communicate well, if he's अपना जो उनका जो ये नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट है कि वो कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाते, if he has turned his weakness into his strength, he or her, then this person might be living their life to the fullest, expressing themselves, going everywhere, talking to people, maintaining a balance and knowing how to get their work done. So guys, that is why I always tell you that you can always convert your weakness into your strength. Now for this number, in their journey, they need to learn how to plan their work, how to plan their week or month. They need to go step by step approach. So these people always will need to plan out their work. Planning will be very necessary for them. Without planning, सब कुछ haywire हो जाएगा. Then उनका जो थोड़ा ईगो है, yes, I know they listen to people, but at the same time they have a little ego issues also. So you need to know कि okay, when I am right, when the other person is right. This person might go into traveling industry or service industry. ट्रैवलिंग में भी कहाँ, लाइक द कैमरामैन और लाइक द आप टी वी पे शो पे देखते हैं, द पीपल हु गो एवरीवेयर एंड दे आर स्पीकिंग, दे आर द सोल लीडर्स इन द ट्रैवलिंग इंडस्ट्री. दे माइट बी लाइकिंग दैट टाइप ऑफ वर्क इन विच दे हैव कंट्रोल ओवर द वर्क, और दे नो कि ना सामने वाला मेरे पर भरोसा कर रहा है कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ या क्या कर रही हूँ. They will be very good in the service industry also. It might be service to anybody, food ले लो, clothes ले लो, anything. But then at the same time, they would want कि जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, it is their own. They need to incorporate green and purple colors in their life. So this was all about the reading for this number. If you want to get your numerology reading analyzed, please contact me. My email ID is bishakakandoi@gmail.com, or you can contact me on my number 9820288537. I am on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Okay, for now, bye bye.